In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send larger files in Microsoft Outlook Fast 2025 Guide. If you've ever hit that frustrating file too large warning, this method is going to save you time and headaches. In 2025, the best and fastest way to send big files through Outlook is to use its built-in OneDrive integration. Outlook and OneDrive work together seamlessly, so instead of stuffing a huge attachment into an email, you'll send a lightweight cloud link that anyone can open and download depending on the permissions you choose. Here's how it works from start to finish. First, open Outlook and start a new message like you normally would. Add your recipients and subject line if you want, then look for the option to attach a file. When the file picker opens, choose Upload to OneDrive instead of attaching directly from your computer. This is the key step that moves your file to the cloud and keeps your email lean and deliverable. Next, select the file you want to send. It can be a single large video, a project folder you zipped, or multiple files you've organized in advance. Outlook will begin uploading to OneDrive behind the scenes. For very large files, give it a moment to finish. You may see a progress indicator. Keep Outlook open during this upload to avoid interruptions and make sure your internet connection is stable. Once the upload completes, Outlook automatically inserts a cloud link into your message in place of a traditional attachment. That link is what your recipient will click to view or download the file. The advantage here is huge. You can send files up to 250 GB, there's no email size limit to worry about, and if allowed by your settings, the recipient can download without signing in. It's fast for you and simple for them. A quick word on access. By default, Outlook will apply sharing permissions that fit your organization or personal account. If you need to be more open or more strict, you can adjust the link settings so only specific people can view or so anyone with the link can download. For most situations, view only is the safest and most convenient choice. Beyond reliability, this method improves deliverability because you're sending a link instead of a massive attachment. It also keeps version control clean. If you update the file in OneDrive after sending, your recipient can get the latest without another email. That's it. Open Outlook, compose your message, choose Attach File, pick Upload to OneDrive, select your file, and let Outlook insert the cloud link. Send your email with confidence and skip the size limits for good.